Let's fill out the Connecticut cat bill of sale together, so both sides walk away with clear, dated proof of the sale and the cat's details. Start at the top with the date of sale. Then the seller's details, in our example that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyer's, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the cat. Add the name if it has one, then the breed, the sex, the date of birth, any registration or microchip number, the color, and the health condition. Specifics make a stronger record of exactly which animal changed hands. Now the purchase date and the sale price in our example, $8,500, paid all at once, by check. Write the real price. A figure that does not match what actually changed hands leaves the buyer with weaker proof and can raise questions later. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. If you're buying or selling a cat in this state, here are some key things you need to know. First, kittens must be at least 8 weeks old before they can be sold. No exceptions there. Before a cat is offered for sale, a licensed veterinarian needs to examine it, and then again every 15 days until it's sold. The seller must keep a record of all those veterinary visits for each animal. If the cat is being imported, a health certificate is required. That certificate must be issued by a licensed, graduate veterinarian, no earlier than 30 days before the date of importation. And it must confirm the cat is free from symptoms of any infectious, contagious, or communicable disease. Sellers are also required to post a statement of customer rights somewhere clearly visible to the public. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.